Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Pisces. So fishies, topic of the reading is what is the future of this connection? Whatever connection that you have with your specific someone, you really want to know what is the future of that connection. Plus, what can you expect coming up for you in the coming days to weeks time? You can check this reading out for that. But yeah, be mindful it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs and messages that resonates and leave the rest. I will also be adding oracle cards in this reading as well. So stay tuned. And if you are willing to purchase any of the services that I offer, you can check the description box for further details on that. So let's dive into the read, fishies, and let's find out what is going to be the future of this connection that you have with your person. Let's begin. Knight of Cups, I do see some beautiful changes coming ahead. Love, feelings, emotions are finally getting mutual here because I do see somebody's coming forward expressing their emotions for you. So I feel like it's your person's energy, or if you have always been like the one too who used to hold your emotions back because of fear of getting your person upset with you being very emotional. I feel like the need to express feelings, emotions is going to be kind of getting mutual. You will be expressing your feelings, they will be expressing their feelings. So I do see some changes, shifts, steps taken by you and them together towards each other. I feel like some positive changes are definitely heading in this connection where you could be easily and openly express what you feel for them, and they would be able to express what they feel for you as well. Let's see more cards here. The Hangman, Nine of Swords, Three of Pentacles. Now I do see that even though I do see some positive changes coming ahead, but maybe it's gonna be like this it could be a situation where you have waited for this change to happen, and now when you you start seeing things moving forward, you might have your concerns. Why it's going so slow? Why don't they openly express this? Why don't they openly commit to you, or openly propose you, openly do this and that? Even though you will be able to see some changes coming from your person, where they may be like if they have never expressed their feelings, they will be expressing their feelings. But then as they do that, maybe you are going to be expecting them to do more and more and more, and that is going to make you question why they are taking so long. Why don't they just take it to the next level with me? So you will have those concerns, even though I feel like things are moving in the right direction, even though things are happening, things are coming out of stagnation, but still you will be wishing and hoping to take things to the next level with them quick. So I feel like the need to speed things up will be pretty much there in this connection coming from your end. But I feel like overall the connection is definitely going to start moving forward between the two of you. But yes, I feel like the stagnations or delays, I would not call it stagnation, I would call it delays. Yes, I do see still some delays will be happening in this connection, but yes, try not to be just so absorbed by those delays, or get so caught up in the idea of why it's not moving forward. Don't do that. Just enjoy what you're sharing with your person, enjoy that time together, enjoy this connection together, and try not to obsess about what will happen in the future. So just try to go with the flow, and I feel like all is going good. In fact, I feel like with the Three of Pentacles here, it seems like you will be able to see some signs and messages around this connection from the divine, where you could sense that the manifestation of your desire is coming up. You can sense that, you can feel that, but still you want to have that, you will have the need to see some proof of yes, that is happening. So maybe the delays that are happening still is going to make you question well, am I right about the manifestation thing there? Am I actually manifesting what I desire with this person or not? So you will have your concerns there, but even though things are moving forward, you still have some issues with the delays that will be still coming in. But I feel like all is well. Just try not to overthink about the delays. Just enjoy what you share with your person. They are opening up, they are sharing their feelings, they are being expressive too. Maybe for some of you they are going to be expressing too much. For others of you, they might be like starting they might start to kind of open themselves up to you, which they might have never done that. So it is going to be different for different fishies, but yes, I do see some progress coming up for the two of you in this connection as well. So just try to kind of stay positive and Don't obsessively think about when this connection is going to go to the next level. Just go with the flow right now. Let's see more cards here. The Lovers. The connection that you have with your person is going to get is this connection is definitely picking up momentum there. Like, your needs to be with each other is going to grow stronger and deeper, and it's going to be mutual. I feel like, it's you both are going to feel so passionately attracted towards each other. So that is definitely happening here. Now, again, whatever that happens, just let it happen. Don't question about when will that happen, when will they marry me, well, when will they make it official, when will I be able to kind of tell the whole world that I'm theirs. Don't get caught up in those kind of thoughts, because it's just going to make you feel the lack of the things that you don't have. Plus, you will not be able to enjoy the good time that you are spending with your person after a long period of time. So make sure you value what you are having right now. You be grateful for what you are having right now, instead of complaining about why this is not happening, why things are not, rushing to the future. Just go with the flow, enjoy the moment with that person, and that's going to be the key to what you desire. Because if you don't enjoy this, what you're sharing with your person right now, and you get too focused on when will they come in, it's just gonna slow down the connection. Plus, you will not be able to enjoy. Plus, you will be complaining, and that's gonna make you have more reasons to complain about. So try not to do that. Try to think happy thoughts around it. Don't obsess over when will the marriage happen, when will they propose me and stuff like that. Just go easy on yourself and on your person as well. You are seeing some progress forward. You just need to believe that yes, things are changing, and they are definitely happening for the good of this connection. So just believe and have faith, and just let things happen. Don't get obsessed. Page of Cups. I do see a person expressing love. For some of you, they might be like, openly saying that to you as well, like, that they love you, that they have feelings for you and stuff like that. Underneath the deck, we do have the King of Wands. Your person is going to get more passionate towards you in the coming days to weeks time. Their love for you is definitely going to be getting stronger. Or maybe if they never expressed their love before, like I said earlier, they might be expressing their love as well. But yes, I feel like, their passion, their possessiveness for you is going to get stronger. Whether you like it or you don't, but yes, they will be getting strongly attached to you that way. Again, try to take it slow, because the more you take it slow, the easier everything is going to be for you to have. We do have the Ace of Wands. So the major shift that you are going to experience in your connection with your person is a beautiful new beginning, which is going to be so passionate, so addictive. I feel like, your person is definitely getting more addicted to you as compared to you yourself, because I feel like you might be on the verge of losing interest in this person. Why? Because they are not committing to you. But then this connection has a new boost of energy coming in, which is going to be very passionate. Like, I do see you having a lot of passionate time together. Maybe you are going to be like, meeting this person every day or something like that. I do see you having sexual, connection as well during this, maybe 1 month from now. You will be having a lot of that as well between the two of you. Now, again, there is a lot of energy exchange happening, which is going to bring your person closer to you. The attachment is going to get stronger between the two of you. But yes, I feel like, it's going to be so passionate, which is going to build the passionate foundation to this connection, basically. And then this connection will go into something beautiful as you want, because I feel like, your person's attachment to you is going to get stronger on that basis. So yeah, let's see more oracle cards. Let's see what is coming up for you as an additional guidance around your connection with your person. Manifesting miracles. Your dream is soon to become reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. So I do see that your dream is definitely becoming your reality. This is exactly what you have been praying and affirming for. A new beginning, which is passionate, where your person is going crazy for you. But at the same time, just know one thing, that you have to be very sure that yes, whatever you desire is going to happen. Even though you don't see it right now, but yes, you need to have that faith strongly into that whatever you desire with your person. Right now, you can definitely experience change in your person's attitude towards them. But yes, their attachment, their addiction to you is going to get stronger with every passing day from now onwards. And then they will be expressing their love slowly but surely. So just give them the time to basically open up about their true feelings to you as well. Let's see more cards here. Let's see what else you need to do, or what else do they want you to know. I feel like this person is going to have a very homely vibe with you. In the days to come, this person is going to act as if they are already your husband or your wife. This person is going to make you feel that, and again, I feel like this energy is something which is going to gain momentum, and with the passage of time, this energy is going to get even stronger, and that's how your person is going to be expressing their love, feelings, and emotions to you. So that's what I'm picking up. I feel like this connection is going to get stronger with every passing day. Plus, I do see some sort of addiction coming from your person towards you as well in the days to come. So I hope it was of help and wish you all the best. Take care. Bye.